Yeah.
Nothing crazy.
Let me see what's going on.
Taking pictures of me?
Huh? Recording what's going on with it with the GoPro. You know what I'm saying? My boy Chino right there. On my soul, yeah. You already know, big dog.
Look at this funny dumb shit.
I'm like, come get y'all drinks at Paws and some parts. Yeah, that's what he just was telling me. He said, Chino told me that, and DJ was texting me. I'm like, what?
Don't take the money, but it won't drop anyway.
And then usually when it's flashing like that, well, that means the bill validator working. So let's see what's going on with the actual coils. All right.
Just in case you need case.
All right, so they say the bill validator is taking the money and is not dropping the product. So let's see. Let's see what's going on.
What was it again?
All right. Let's try this box. So that won't work. Chain. Let's see if the strawberry works. We're gonna try this. Oh, man, it worked. Do you know which one in Pacific that wasn't working? Boss man. Boss man, you know which one in Pacific that wasn't working?
No, I do not. They're Calvin customers. I'm not sure if they're buying the same thing or not.
I'm gonna just check them all then. So far, so good.
Yep. Oh.
That won't work.
That's Dr. Pepper.
Which one? The Dr. Pepper? Let's try that one. My machine gonna look like it got hella cells today. All right, Dr. Pepper, big boy selling. Okay. What it could have been is they could not have, maybe a couple of them wasn't prime because you reload them and you're supposed to drop the ones you load so it's prime. But it's looking like all of them functioning. I need, DJ not, is DJ here? Could you radio him to the front so I could take care of him? Let's check the next one. We're gonna check Kiwi. Blue. That one busting. It might not have been prime. Let me look down up under here. See if I can get it. Look prime.
I'm not blowing them off. But, is this your cell phone number? I can take
Let's try something. see me D-Jizzle? You see me D-Jizzle, man? On the GoPro, y'all all famous. Y'all don't even know it. Yeah, come on, DJ. Let's get you taken care of, boss man.
Yeah, I don't know. I swiped my card for a crush, and then I clicked it, and it was like, thank you, and then nothing. I'm like,
I was checking them all too. I didn't check the crush. Let me check the crush. Yeah, I'm going to get you. How many you lose? 2? You sure? Well, we're gonna give you 2 because you DJ.
oh, okay.
Evan, I'm gonna get you right. Let's get everybody right real fast. Yes, sir. Gonna get you something, brother. It's hot. You working? You know what I'm saying? Energize yourself. Your eyes working, so that count too. That count too. No problem, my brother. This big dog right here. I'm gonna wait till he get off the phone and figure out what he wants. You want something to drink, folks, man? It's kind of hot. You want to refresh yourself?
Take a Dr. Pepper. Sure.
Dr. Pepper. It seems to be popular around here. Which one? This one? Yep.
Thank you, Mike.
No problem. No problem. The hard workers must be repaid. You feel me?
I don't know why it wasn't vetted.
I think it wasn't primed. This one I think wasn't primed. So when you load them back up, you're supposed to drop them into the last coil. So when somebody press that, they vent out. Because yeah, so I don't think that was that one was primed. So when y'all actually lost the bread, it primed it. It ended up priming it. Thank y'all. Thank y'all. Thank y'all. That was that was convenient. But no, I'd have been mad, especially about a peach crush, waiting for one of these.
One or the
Yeah,
other.
right. That's why I said, fuck.
Ron.
I'm like, shit.
I know you don't never usually accept something. You gonna do it today for the channel? You gonna accept the drink today for the channel, man? You looking so professional with your paws on, your pootie tang ponytail. Your pootie tang ponytail in the back.
What do we got?
We got White Glacier Gatorade.
He's trying to.
He said he's gonna commentate the whole thing.
Kind of comment.
He's trying to comment.
What we got up here? We got the orange crush.
Go ahead. No, you good. No, this is on me for the team. Yes, sir. Grab you something.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Refresh yourself. That's been popular. Y'all see that? That's popular.
My wife tried it, actually. She got a bottle of it last weekend.
Mm-hmm.
She's like, I want to try this.
Hooked.
Tried it. She's like, oh, this is good.
Is she
I was
hooked?
like, can I get a sip? She goes, no, go get your own. I was like, that's just rude.
They cutthroat about them Dr. Peppers. Hey, man.
Thank you, thank
No
you.
problem, my man.
You know what I mean? Yep. So when it comes out to a touch, it comes out boom. I'm like, that's perfect.
Nah. What he look like? What type of person he look like?
We'll do the same thing.
He's a mellow yellow guy.
He a mellow yellow guy?
Shane's a mellow yellow guy, aren't you, Shane?
Huh?
You like mellow yellow?
I like anything that's wet.
I'm glad I got that.
He's gonna eat the yellow snow.
I'm thinking he mellow yellow. He say
He's
that.
like, fuck.
That sound like something straight. Not that one. My man. And that is wet. That is wet. That's boss man right there. That's big dog right there. That's big Shane.
I'll tell you this story. Remember those kits you would get with one kit that was like Carolina Reaper?
Yeah.
And you would always see the challenge or whatever on TikTok or whatever.
I did,
I don't
too.
get into none of that. Don't ask me to do nothing that I don't.
Good, man. Yeah, I'm gonna go out back and see if I can find something. Thank you, man.
You know where you're going? Yeah. Yeah, but this, I mean, I swear, dude, I've never seen something so, I wasn't even there. But I literally